How to enable or disable the media storage panel in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and look at the top left corner of the interface where the media storage panel usually appears. You will see a small icon that looks like a folder or a media storage symbol. This icon controls the visibility of the media storage panel. Click once on this icon to enable the media storage panel. This will open the panel where you can browse and import media files directly into your project. If you want to disable the media storage panel to get a cleaner workspace, just click the icon again. The panel will disappear from view, giving you more space for editing. Using this toggle helps to customize your workspace depending on your current needs, whether you want to focus on media management or editing. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable the media storage panel in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.